Hey, what's up? I hope you're having a fantastic day because in this video, I'm going to share with you some websites that will pay you money daily in 2020 as a beginner. So if you're a beginner and you've never made money online, this is going to be for you. So I want you to watch this video all the way to the end. Don't try to skip ahead. And if this is your first time to my YouTube channel, welcome. My name is Andre and I create videos for you, and it's going to help you to get better results time and time again. So make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel. Let me know in the comment section if this is your first time watching my videos, and let me know where you're from. So this is going to be a video about making money online, and if you like money and you want to get the hottest and the best ways to go about it, make sure you give this video a thumbs up and share with other people so that way they could see it as well. So these are websites that will pay you money daily in 2020 as a beginner. Now, here's the first website that I wanted to share with you. Is Amazon Mechanical Turk, and it's called mturk.com. So this particular website, it is fun. I did sign up for this. I did made a little bit of money. I don't do this as much as before, but you can. And they just give you some simple stuff, such as they'll take a picture of a receipt, and when you look at the receipt, they'll tell you, okay, find the numbers on the receipt, do this, do that. They'll tell you to check out a website. There's some little small jobs. So they're small jobs. So they will start you off with some little ones, and then slowly they'll increase you into higher amounts. So over time, there's people that are doing this right now that are making $300, $500, $1,300, even over $2,000. And this is not daily though. You can make money, but it's not going to make you that much money per day. You can make it over the course of a month, maybe $1,700, $500, or even $1,000. But on here, you can also withdraw money daily as soon as it come in. So once you make the money, you can take it out and you can just send it to the different, wherever you want to get paid. So how it works, pretty easy. Requesters, they have a task to complete, and then they go to the mturk marketplace, and then they're looking for people to work. So that's what it is. There's a lot of people on here looking for people to work, and all you have to do is just go on there, just do the job, and then that's it. Now here's another website. It is called Scribble or Scribby, whichever one you want to call it, Scribby.com. And this particular website is about proofreading and editing. So proofreading, editing, citation generators. So these are some little jobs that you can do. You can get these jobs done, and then once you are completed with all of this, then at the end of what you're doing, you can definitely get paid. So they pay you daily, which is a good thing. Proofreading, these are some of the things that they will ask you to do, like personal treatment. There's paper, there's essays, Spanish, French, German. If you are bilingual and you have any one of these languages, hey, this would be good for you. There's some PhD stuff as well. So all you have to do is just come on here, get registered, and you can get started right away. Here's another one. This is called OfferNation.com. And OfferNation is more of a survey type of website that you can get paid daily, and you can start earning today. So you can sign up for free. They give you a free bonus. Paid surveys to make money. You can work from home. You can make some extra money to do the things that you want in your life. As stated, so far more than 898,000 have been paid out in cash since members, have started with this. So you can make money by doing simply, you do some survey sites, you just participate in them, make some extra cash, emergency cash, all that kind of stuff, and in between gap, and they pay you as little. So because they're paid quickly, you're only ever a few hours away from the next payment. So let's say if you get payment an hour ago, all you have to do is do some more tasks and you could get paid the next hour or 2 hours after that. So I think they paid every 2 to 3 hours tops. It could be even earlier, but as long as you get the job done. So they pay you to do some online surveys, as I mentioned. They also pay you to do some other things. So these are some of the different ways how you can get paid. They have a really cool video down here that you can watch. You can click on this where it says start earning. Put your first name, last name, email information. Make sure your address is correct. And of course, VPN are not prohibited. So if you use VPN, they're going to ban your account. You can get paid in Bitcoin and Coinbase as well, which is pretty cool. So a little bit of Bitcoin, Coinbase, countries. These are the countries that's selected. Hopefully your country is listed on here. If not, I do apologize, but I'm not the one that is actually running these particular websites. So just make sure you sign up. But the good thing, they pay Bitcoin, Stroke, PayPal, and all that stuff. So sign up, get started on that right away. That's OfferNation.com. Here's another wonderful website you can get started and you can make money daily as a beginner in 2020. IQ, and that's IQ.com. And this is more of an app. So it's an app. They have trusted different brands. There's like Clorox, there's Weber, Keurig. Everybody knows Keurig. You don't know what Keurig is, you're not drinking coffee. So they're for business and also for individuals. And they're looking for the new face for consumer engagement. They're looking for real people to participate in different things. Real people, real insights, real time. How does it work? You get to sign up. And you just basically just going to be giving your opinions. So you go into different multimedia content, promotional stuff, and you just give reviews on different brands, data, check it out, because they're going to send it. And that's how you earn money. You go earn money just by giving reviews on a particular product, particular website, particular brand name, and that's all you have to do. Just engage on it, give good critiques, and you should be good. Here's another great website that you can make money daily is QMe. So QMe.com. Share your opinion. You could shop. You could get real surveys. You could sign up for absolutely free. They also have an app as well. There's an Apple, and there's also Google Play. So these are some of the trusted brands. They got CNN Money. They got Forbes. And all you have to do is just give your opinion. So you earn when you shop. You can earn cash daily with these different offers. So you could sign up. How it works, you can click on this as well, and it will take you to this great video. So you can watch this video. I don't want to play this video. I don't want to make this too long, but you can come on here, watch the videos. And the reason why I don't want to go into too much details is because it's very simple, self-explanatory. No need for me to really go in and dive deeper into this, because just sign up, follow the rules, create an account, and you can get started getting paid daily just by doing that. So there's some frequently asked questions, who, what, how much will I earn? How do you sign up for QMe? So if you want to read the frequently asked questions, I always highly recommend you do that as well. All right, so sign up, get started, get paid daily. Here's another wonderful website. It's called Clear Voice. And if you're a person who like a little bit of writing, editing, producer type skills, this will be a wonderful place for you to get started. So if you like into the social media aspect of the business, this will be good for you. So they're looking for brands, agency, freelancers. If you're an outgoing person and you want your voice to be heard, this will be good. This is for expert collaboration tools, limitless freelance teams, team-friendly stuff, and they got like dashboard and all that. So you could sign up. There's pricing for, not for you, but for these huge companies that would come on here. They have talent. There's customer stories, features, solutions, resources, and all that stuff. So just come through here, sign up, get started right away. So these are the websites that I found that you can get paid money daily in 2020 as a beginner. If you've never made money online, this will be a great video for you. And these are some great websites for you to try. So make sure you check out my next video that's coming up. It's called Make Quick Money, and you can earn money online just by doing some work. So I appreciate your time. Have a fantastic day. Go check out these websites. And don't forget my #1 recommendation in the link in the bio, so you can see what I'm doing and how you could start getting paid. See you on the next one. Peace.